美国总统大选结束，川普选调，即马伊未来内阁人事，大家拢知晓。根据美国媒体消息，现任联邦参议员卢比欧有可能是未来的国务卿。另外，捌伫美军特种部队的众议员瓦尔兹有可能是国家安全顾问的人选。
We are not garbage. We are patriots who love America. And thank you for running, Mr. President.
伊控制住选战期间，真一摆为川普徛台作讲，也显示卢比欧全力支持川普政策的路线。
As a descendant of Cuban immigrants and someone who's been raised in a community of Cuban exiles, and as a man who cares deeply about the well-being of the Cuban people, one of my greatest hopes is to live to see the nation of Cuba and its people become free and open and democratic. We could very well be standing here today talking about the death of dozens, if not hundreds of Americans at the hands of Shia militias working as proxies for the Iranian regime.
为卢比奥伫参观进来公开讲话，因看出伊对拉美左派政权甲北韩伊朗等国的强硬态度，被点名接任北京国家安全顾问，现任众议员的瓦尔兹。伊甲卢比奥正共款，也是川普路线的忠实拥护者。
And this is the type of country, those are the types of countries where they weaponize the judicial system against their political opponents. Maduro weaponized the judicial system in Venezuela against Guaido.
两人共同点之一，就是对中国拢无好声扫，严厉批评北京当局对维吾尔族的迫害打压，也拢强烈支持军援台湾，对抗中国的武力威胁。另外，对拜登政府甚至真济西欧国家一直咧支持的乌克兰政策，两人也甲川普完全共款，也都是伫支持乌克兰主权独立之外，反对继续大量金援乌克兰，而且主张赶紧促成两国停战。对这报派内阁人士分析家认为，伫川普团队无对外正式的情形之下，各方拢还有运作的空间。
The next few days and next few weeks will be very interesting and consequential. This is not just some game of moving pieces on a chessboard. Some of these decisions about personnel and early decisions on policy.
公司新闻时间真重要。